Okay, onto this upper oil pan gasket on this '08 Dodge Grand Caravan, and as you all can see, it is definitely the upper that's leaking here. It's terrible. Okay, so we're starting off with taking these bolts out. It's a 15. Okay, got all the bolts out. Now we just gotta work it out. Got part of the bell housing out, and did have to finagle a couple things. Had to take 4 bolts out of the member, and then 2 right there. Dropped it down enough where I could fish it out because it was definitely wedged. So now we're gonna go up to these bolts, start taking them out. Okay, so for the upper oil pan bolts, they are a 10. I got this girl dropped. The lower oil pan. So now I'm going to clean everything off and put the new gasket on there. We'll clean up there too. Try and get rid of all this leakage spots here. Just in case if he does start leaking again, we know where it's coming from. So, easy peasy. Okay, got the oil pan cleaned. Surface is ready. Go ahead and sprayed all that down. So that's been sprayed down and cleaned. Now I just need to work on this bad boy up here. Okay, got the surface and the engine all cleaned off. It's all brand new. Ready, everything's just ready to go back on. So it's pretty simple. You guys have a good rest of your day. Rock off.